absolute panic and destruction in the markets today. I felt like at one point in time, the bulls were no longer existent. Like they couldn't catch a bid. I mean, they were absolutely slaughtered. So again, are you doing your homework, right? Do you understand what was going on the last 2 days? A little bit of a dead cat bounce. I talked with this a lot with the traders and evolution traders. Again, dead cat bounce. Like, there's money to be made on these dead cat bounces. But again, you have to keep an eye on the previous day's channels. What is a previous day's channel? It's the previous high and low. So what I want to kind of show you guys here is on the Nasdaq 100, we had this first initial push where we put in this low all the way down to the 150-day simple moving average, right? So if you notice how we put this low in here, this new low here at around 14,512, set the threshold. That was the level. So there was a little bit of a sneaky area here below yesterday's low. So if you notice below 14,705, if we started to confirm that, we had room to come back down to the next area of supply, which is 14,603. So this provided a lot of opportunities today to go short depending on your strategy and your edge. Now, anyone with the strategy, anyone with any type of edge in the market should have had multiple short signals triggered today. Now, if we were going long, we got to start asking ourselves the question, what are we looking at, right? So I don't think we can go lower and then you get chopped up. Well, I think because of this, or I think because Microsoft had great earnings yesterday, that we're going to push higher. I think that we're oversold. All this, I think. Guys, go with the trend. Get in on the Momo. Get in on the momentum, right? So what do we need to really happen for the bulls to kind of take control? They needed to get over yesterday's channel here. Over yesterday's channel was sitting at 14,955. That had room to push into the 20-day average, which is not that much room, but you can see, the bulls have a lot of work to do here, and here. Now, the strategy that I teach on YouTube came into effect in the pre-market. I had two traders that were up $1,000+ on their prop firm accounts, literally 5 minutes off the bell. I mean, this drastic candle went from a price of 14,745 all the way down to 14,666. So again, you're talking about an 80-point move in that, quick of a time span. Main thing I was trying to emphasize this morning on the live stream, guys, if you did catch the Momo play and you're green, it's time to think about just stopping on the day. Now, again, did you miss out on some money? Yeah, maybe. But when you catch something that ferocious off the bell, it's time to just call it a day and go do something else. You had a 5-minute work day and made $1,000, $800. I think Sammy made $700, $800. And then we had Mr. Banknote, pulled a pretty penny, close to $1,000 off this opening range. So congratulations to you two guys. You guys were already done while I was just barely starting the live stream. So if we look at what was going on here, we consolidated sideways. We came, kind of tested this 20-period moving average, no confirmation here. This 20 play setup here did confirm and then immediately got stopped out. So let's say, for example, you did take a stop loss on this first play. That's okay. You're still in the game. You didn't blow up your account. Look at the next setup that happened at 8:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That price was 14,614 and it ran all the way down to 14,453. Guys, we're talking about a 150+ point move. Everyone should have been done trading, as soon as Nasdaq came, or the Wall Street came back from lunchtime. So if you realistically look at, 10:40 a.m., lunch is over, the day should have been done. I'm not even going to get into the rest of the day because there was realistically only 1-2 setups that realistically happened today. If you wanted to look at the hourly chart or the daily chart, look at the daily chart. There was a level here, 14,705. If I kind of quickly look at the 1 hour chart, I want to show you guys, because this is what I have running on my screen. If you look at the first hour lows, these first hour lows were sitting at a price of, again, yesterday's lows as well, 14,604, excuse me. So 14,604, and then yesterday's lows were 14,705. So you had an entry here through 705. You had another entry here through the 150 on the daily, and the first hour lows at 604. So this is a really, really good trade here to the downside. So notice this, once this first hour put in a low, I'm always sitting on this confirmation here on the first hour lows as long as we've got space, and it ran from a price of 604 all the way down to 444. So congratulations to everyone who caught it. Could we be coming into a little bit of a bounce here? Maybe, maybe a 2 or 3 day holding pattern where we do some distribution, maybe. Again, don't put your foot on the gas too much. Take your scalps, collect your points, and then move on, right? I don't care if you make $10 in a day, do that, 1,000 times, or if you make $1,000 in a day, do that over and over and over again. So again, no need to panic. You can play the market both long and short. So there's always something going on. All you have to do is understand technical analysis, allow the levels to get triggered, allow the trades to come to you. If you guys want to join the community at Evolution Traders and get access to the mentorship, live trading, the watch list, intraday technicals, set up one-on-one coaching calls with me through my online calendar, we can get that going. I've got some room for some new traders. The room is growing. People are getting better. We had someone get funded today. Again, big shout out to Mike. He got funded today with Top Step. He passed that evaluation. I got a couple other people that are super close to passing their evaluations on the prop firms. We got people, that are making good gains and good strides all the way around, right? Patience, discipline, size down, allow the trades to come to you, have a clear mindset, and just do your homework the night before so you have levels that you are ready to trade when they trigger. The hardest thing to do as a trader is trying to get into trades after they're already gone, right? So again, the link's down in the description box below if you guys want to join, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.